Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the settings, and to do that, wake up the screen by pressing the any of the buttons basically. Then press the back button to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called About Your Watch. And once you find it, tap on it. And here look for the option called Factory Reset. No, it's called Reset Data, my bad. Reset Data right here. Tap on it. And as you can see, we have the question if you want to do it. And remember, if you perform the factory reset, it will remove all of your settings and your data from your watch. So you will lose everything if you don't back it up. And then we can confirm by pressing the middle button right here. And now we can wait until the resetting process is complete. And once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.